welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'll show you how you can copy your profile link, your profile URL link from your LinkedIn app. And yes, before we start with our video, do like our video, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends and family who also need it. And yeah, let's get started. So just go to your LinkedIn app. So once your app is open, you will just tap on this profile icon above left corner, tap on that, and then you will tap on this profile icon again, tap on it. Yes, then you will go down and then you will tap on this three dot icon beside add section on your right side, tap on that icon, and then you tap on this contact info option, tap on it, and there you can see your profile link, your email address, and you will do is and tap on this profile link given, tap on that, and then you have an option called copy, open, share with, cancel. So all you do is copy your profile link, and then your profile link is copied. So all you can do is share with whoever you would like to. And yeah, that's how you can copy your profile link, your profile URL link from your LinkedIn app. So I hope this video has helped you. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and I'll see you guys next time.